Hi, my name is Nahi Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
This is my Shopify store and I want to connect this Google Tag Manager code with my Shopify website. So how do we do this? First you have to copy this code. This is Google Tag Manager head code and this is body code. First copy the head code and come to your Shopify admin panel. You can see this is my store option. You click the store, you click store option and we set up the code. Now we set up the code. First you come to this is my theme and you click the edit code. Click here. You first click theme.liquid. Click here. You can see this is the head start. You can put the code under the head section. You can see the head section start from here. So I put my Google Tag Manager code from here. So I just and paste my Google Tag Manager code. So again I come to Google Tag Manager and copy the body code and find out the body section. You can see the body start here. You can see the head code finish here and body code start here. So I paste the body code under the body section. So I just some space and paste the code and just I save. Just you exit the option. Our one part is finished. Another option is you come to setting option. You click setting option. Click here. We have to put the Google Tag Manager code on the purchase page. If you want to track purchase, then you can set up the code on the checkout page. You come to the checkout page. You can see the order status page. You paste the Google Tag Manager head code also here. Again, we come to our Google Tag Manager and another the head copy the head code and you can also set up the Google Tag Manager in the order page. For this, you can track the purchase tracking. So now we save. So our Google Tag Manager code is connected. Now we check, is it working? So first you come to Google Tag Manager and go to preview mode and give your website code and connect with tag assistant. You can see our tag assistant is connected. That means Google Tag Manager is connected with your website. You can see there are many activities. So our Google Tag Manager is connected with your website. You can see the tag Google Tag is founded. Also you can see tag assistant is connected. So our tag manager is connected with our Shopify website. So please subscribe my channel, get more video about web analytics, Google Tag Manager, or you can need any kind of help about Facebook Pixel, Shopify, any kind of related help, you can contact with us. I working for many clients around the world to provide digital marketing services, web analytics services.